So now we are going to the straight, which is the finish line, and of course starting line, which is going a little bit uphill. And here it's very important first Castrol corner, because you take it in quite a big speed, third gear, 95 kilometers around. And now we are going on the longest straight of the circuit, which at the end has the speed of 245 kilometers approximately in the sixth gear, going very up the hill. And now the sharpest corner, the Remus corner, which is the second gear, going also uphill, very slow, 50 kilometers per hour. Now also quite long straight, where we reach the speed of around 240 also. Now going a little bit downhill. This is very nice corner called Gusser corner. I have no idea what it means, but it's very nice corner. Now to a technical part where Niki Lauda corner comes first, and it's very technical because it's fourth gear, but it's pushing you out. Fourth gear all the way through, going to the 9000 res, always fourth gear. And now you have to keep straight, going off the track a little bit, push full gas, fifth gear, going again to 230 at least, and now brake at the last 100 meters, going very fast to the corner in the fourth gear. You cannot go outside the track. And this is the last corner, third gear, very important of course, because here you get the speed for the straight finish line, which you can see I didn't get here. And now we are at the finish.